Hello and welcome back to Color Your Voice Workshop, the virtual edition number 7. So far we have explored all the ways how to open your imagination to writing and creating character, discovering your voice through a number of exercises, how to use your body to find character, and we've met all kinds of incredible artists, local artists along the way. This week, we're going to keep it simple though. We use our voices a lot when expressing big ideas, but there is so much that we can express in language just by using our bodies. I mean, remember the last time that you asked somebody out on a date and learned bookloads based on their initial physical reaction? Like, or, or, right? So we're going to play a quick game to get started with how to just use our bodies literally from our shoulders down. There's a few things that you're going to need in order to do this particular exercise. A paper bag is what is best used, though if you have something that's similar, go ahead and use it. Why not? You will also want to use a hat that has some suggestions for things like emotions, shapes, positions like employments, different types of employments like teacher, or even something that's just a little abstract, like abstract. And you're going to want someone to probably help you with calling out those suggestions. And with me here today, I have my mom.
Hi.
She is longtime stage manager as well as caller of the Mountain Play for a number of years. You probably saw her up on the hill in that sound booth, that little green box that was on the side there, calling away all of the different moments in the show. Pretty exciting. So she's going to help me by calling out my suggestions. Right? As far as this activity is concerned, there's a couple of things to keep in mind. One is listen to how your audience reacts. So my mom is here. She's going to react to some of the things that I do. I'm going to try and remember what works and what doesn't work. The other thing that I would suggest that you do is try things that are big as well as trying things that are smaller. And what you may often find are the small adjustments are actually the most interesting ones that you can find. All right. So step number 1, place bag overhead. World's largest mask. Step 2, have your assistant, helper, audience call out whatever's on the page.
Confusion.
I'm going to start out big this time.
Oh.
Here's a smaller version. So you want to find a position and then stay there. Let's see. So I got a laugh. Okay, next one. Here we go. Start from blank.
Okay, and anxiety.
Okay, big. I lost my mask. I have to hold it. Oh, that's anxiety. Or maybe anxiety is.
Oh, that's good.
All right, let's do one more.
Seething.
That was my seething.
Uh-huh.
You're going to find that you enjoy this a lot and you could keep going on. Another couple of suggestions that I have is have maybe a couple of you doing it at the same time, putting on the paper bags over your heads and then having the same suggestion. You are going to come up with completely opposite things. Or what's really fun is when you come up with the things that almost look exactly the same. Just showing us how similar a lot of our emotions end up showing in our bodies. That's the activity for today. Paper bag clown, working your body, shoulders to your feet. Though you couldn't really see my feet in this one. Thank you, Mom, for popping in to say hi and help me out with this fun activity. I hope you have a chance to try it out for yourselves and work out communicating with your body. Have a great rest of your week, guys, and we'll see you next time.